Welcome to the Daily Gun Show. We are live at SHOT Show 2026, bringing you the latest news and updates.
Just checking out Essential Provisions out of Ohio. Saw that you had a bison stew. I'm a big fan of that, and you've got some vegetarian options. Can you tell me about your stuff?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've got 4 different meals on the market right now. We've got a bison chili, a bison stew, a lentil chili, and a vegetable stew. 100% organic regenerative ingredients. Grass-fed, grass-finished, pasture-raised bison are bison meals. Nothing on that ingredients list that you can't read, understand, and pronounce.
I love the ingredients are just like in a bullet point list.
That's
right.
right.
Like you say, it's all food.
Well, like what we like to say is there were no food scientists used in the creation of these meals, just a chef.
Awesome.
All made by a professional chef. They're absolutely delicious. 3 to 5 year shelf life. High calorie and high protein for as much as we can pack in there. And like I said, wonderful.
And at this point, they're made in the Carolinas, you said? You're an Ohio company, and
That's
you
right.
buy them direct from you.
Direct from consumer, essentialprovisions.com.
Awesome. Thanks for your time. Have a great show.
Hey, thank you.
From SHOT Show 2026, for the Daily Gun Show, I'm your host. We'll see you tomorrow.